G'day! In today's video I'm having a little bit of a rant regarding YouTube Premium and the Google Home ecosystem. I pay for the YouTube subscription. I get YouTube Music as a bonus, also included in that cost. And at home I've got around 4 Google Minis dotted around, and all of that plays my music just fine. Jump on YouTube Music, hit play, send it to all speakers, no worries. But strangely, YouTube videos, I can't do that. Personally, around the house, I put my phone in my pocket, hit play, go do the housework, go hang out washing, and every now and then I just want to listen to it on something a little bit louder than my phone in my pocket. So, okay, I should just be able to send it to my Google Nest. There is no option for that. It gives me the option to stream my YouTube to the TV and to my Google display in the kitchen, but it does not give me an option to actually play the video's audio elsewhere. Even though I can, with YouTube Premium, I can turn the screen off and still have it just play audio, even though it's a video I'm watching. I can have audio only on my phone, but I can't have audio only on the Nest in my house. I thought it might have been because my Google account wasn't assigned to it, and it didn't acknowledge my YouTube subscription. It does, because whenever I request a song to play, it always plays for YouTube Music, and on the Google Assistant app, it comes up in there under my paid for account. So I definitely find that one very odd feature. I'm assuming there would be a workaround out there, but it just seems odd that you just can't simply just do that to it. Anyway, that's my rant over. I'll see you guys later. Bye.